Today, we're going to show you how to grow your own mushroom. It's very easy to grow your own mushroom. You only need 3 things. First, you need a mushroom growing kit. This is a mushroom growing kit from Singapore Kinyan farm. Then you need a bottle of spray water and also a pair of scissors. So, on the kit itself, you can see there's a hole. This is the place where you can grow your mushroom. Follow the dotted line to open up the home to grow your own mushroom. Ta-da! This is the spawn bag. This is where your mushroom will grow. Then you have to cut a cross shape on the spawn bag this way. After cutting the spawn bag, you have to open it. After open up the spawn bag, then you have to spray water. Now, your mushroom kit is ready to grow. You need to spray 3 to 6 times daily, and in 3 to 15 days, the mushroom will grow. Leave it in a cool place without direct sunlight. Now, I'm gonna leave my mushroom kit aside and let it grow.